Hey, it's Chris here today from Huckabones Equipment. In today's video we got a little bit different one than normal. We're not talking about anything in particular, but we have our big open house. So you see everything's nicely cleaned up, lots of new equipment behind me. What else we got today? Well, we are raising money for the community. So we got the Civitan here. We're going to be giving away a T2290 as well as a year lease on a BX23S. So what is the Civitan Club? They just kind of raise money and donate it within the community. So we're happy to be able to do that with all proceeds going to them to keep in the community for some local stuff. So other than that, we're also doing a bake sale. We got hot dogs and hamburgers to give away. We got some reps here from Kubota, Beaumalite, Wallenstein, a few others, smaller ones. So a pretty big day for us. We're looking forward to it, and you'll see some more shots of the big day today.
Yeah, my name is John Cull. We're here at the Civitan Club. We're cooking food for the Huckabones Customer Appreciation Day. Huckabones Garage and Huckabones Equipment have been extremely supportive of the club for the past number of years. The draw that we're doing today is a miniature backhoe loader tractor, leased for a year, and a riding lawnmower. The draw is at 2 o'clock. The lease the customer takes home for the year, and with the arrangements through Huckabones, and the lawnmower you get to take home and keep. And all this equipment was donated to the club by Huckabones Equipment, so we're very thankful that they're strong supporters of the club through the years, and anytime we can help them out, we volunteer to help them out. So today we're cooking for them, hot dogs, hamburgers, free food for their customers to enjoy. And all the money that's raised by the club is given back to the community through various functions. Example would be we give gas cards to cancer patients to drive back and forth to the city for treatments. We have a medical bank where we loan out wheelchairs, crutches, all different types of medical equipment for them to use, free of charge. And if they wish to make a donation, we will take their donation. But the club has been celebrating their 50th anniversary tonight. So we're having a formal gathering tonight at the Ag Hall. So club's doing well, and community's doing well, so everybody wins.
Been a good fundraiser.
Good. Glad to hear it.
We're at Huckabones Equipment, Compton, Ontario. We're having our raffle draw today for
We got two prizes. We got the T2290 for somebody to take home, and we got the BX23S. My kids are horns. So we got the BX23S to give away as well for a year. So yeah, so we haven't got a final tally, but we're hoping we raise between $5,000 and $10,000. So yeah.
So which prize are we drawing?
First one, T series first. So. Yeah. And we got a gentleman by the name of Brian Miss Campbell. That's the name. We got a Lori Jonkis from Snake River Line.
I'd like to thank all the community that supported this event. It's a good fundraiser for the community and for the Civitan Club. All this equipment donated by Huckabones Equipment. So we'd like